In this problem, we are given 3 minus 4i, and we are told to find the reciprocal of the absolute value of the conjugate of 3 minus 4i. So there's a lot going on here, so we'll just take it step by step. So first of all, the reciprocal means 1 over, so it's going to be 1 over, and now it's the reciprocal of the absolute value, so it's absolute value of the conjugate of 3 minus 4i. So the conjugate just means you're changing the sign in the middle. So if it's 3 minus 4i, it's going to be instead 3 plus 4i. So it's going to look like this. And now we need to figure out what the absolute value is of 3 plus 4i. Now remember, absolute value means distance. Okay, usually it's distance from 0. Now, since this is going to be two-dimensional, it's going to be the distance from the origin. So it might help to kind of draw this out, or at least to visualize what's happening. So 3 would be on the real axis, so the real axis would be right here. The imaginary part would be up here. 3 would be in the real direction, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And then 4i is going to be up on the imaginary axis. So instead of like the y, like a regular graph, it's going to be 4i instead. So I'm going to go up 4 on the y, or imaginary axis. It's going to be up 1, 2, 3, 4. So right up here. So if I'm trying to find the distance from that point down to the origin, okay, what I have is a right triangle. So this is distance of 3. This is going to be distance of 4. So it's your special 3, 4, 5 triangle. If you don't know that, you can use Pythagorean theorem. So this distance right there is going to be 5. So the distance, or absolute value, of 3 plus 4i will be 5. So I have 1 over 5, and that's it. That is my final answer.